What's up, guys? My name is Ty Zen. Welcome to the cryptocurrency.market channel. We are a trading, investing, and entrepreneurship channel. And in this video, I want to talk about the evolution of Bitcoin and the unintended consequences of Bitcoin and how our team sees that Bitcoin could potentially be, okay? So when Bitcoin was invented back in 2008, the white paper was released. A lot of people were skeptics, didn't believe it would work. So Satoshi Nakamoto, the inventor of Bitcoin, released the software, a very basic version of the Bitcoin software in 2009. And it's been running ever since, okay? And when Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin, I do not believe that he intended for it to be like multiple Bitcoins, okay? I think he intended for it to be just one electronic peer-to-peer cash system. But 10 years later, right, it is now a multi-cryptocurrency coin system. We have over 2,000 coins that's on the market right now being traded, and more that's not listed, okay? So there's actually more than just 2,000 coins, okay? As far as Bitcoin goes, we have multiple versions of Bitcoin. We have Bitcoin Core, we have Bitcoin Cash, and then Bitcoin Cash right now, in a few weeks, is going to fork and split up into multiple Bitcoin Cash versions. And then we got Bitcoin Private, and then we got Bitcoin Anon. I don't know how serious that project is, but I heard that it was there. I never looked into it. And then you got, what else? You got Bitcoin Diamond, Bitcoin Gold, Bitcoin. There's all these Bitcoin versions that are out on the market right now. Now you have the Bitcoin maximalists, maximalist means a diehard fan of Bitcoin and they're loyal to Bitcoin. So they only believe in Bitcoin Core. They don't believe in any other versions of Bitcoin. They don't believe in any other versions of these baby Bitcoins that are being produced throughout the year. And they just refuse to accept it, okay? Now, as a trader, as an investor, and as an entrepreneur, our team is in the Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency space to make money. We don't sit there and bullshit to people and lie about that. Like, you got some of these fake ass people on YouTube and on the internet that talk about they're in crypto or they're in Bitcoin to change the world and save the whales and, you know, change the climate and bullshit like that. They're fucking bullshitting you. I wouldn't fucking listen to none of those dumbasses, you know. They're in it to make money just like we are. The only difference is that at least we're honest and we're upfront about it. You got these dumbasses out there that talk about they want to change the world and shit. That's fucking a bunch of bullshit. You know, after they make $5, $10, $20 million and they say they're out to change the world, then I'll believe it. But when their ass is still broke, you know, and still living in mama's basement, I ain't even believe that for 1 minute that they're trying to change the world, okay? So, now, back to what I was saying here, okay? Since we are realists and we are traders and investors, we look at Bitcoin in terms of how we can make money from it. And then that's one part of us, okay? But now, in this video, I want to talk to you guys from a philosopher or just a common sense person, okay? So what I'm about to say has nothing to do with trading, investing, entrepreneurship, or any of that. Just my personal opinion and our team's opinion. And this is more Bitcoin philosophy, more so than trading and investing, okay? And I want to make that very clear, okay? So if you're watching this video to make money off of Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, this is the wrong video, okay? Because this is one of the few rare times where I talk about Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies in terms that has nothing to do with making money, okay? But at least I'm upfront about that, okay? I bring it up and let you guys know, okay? Not like these jackasses out there that they're out there trying to make money in crypto and they're talking about trying to change the world and shit. Okay, so we believe that when Satoshi first invented Bitcoin, he wanted to make one Bitcoin, obviously, one electronic peer-to-peer cash system so people can use it as electronic cash throughout the world. I don't think that he anticipated when he handed over the project to another software engineer named Gavin Andresen. I don't think he anticipated that after he left that the Bitcoin software would split up into multiple different factions and become multiple different Bitcoin versions of Bitcoin, okay? And we believe that Bitcoin, even though it started off as one, it has now evolved to become multiple Bitcoins and multiple cryptocurrencies. And we believe that it's actually that in the future, when we send a payment or a financial transaction to each other, we are actually going to send it through multiple different coins. We might, I might send a coin to you as a private payment because you don't want other people to know that I'm sending you a Bitcoin. So you might want me to send it to you in the form of Bitcoin private, okay? And you have the privacy, and then after that, you might send your Bitcoin and convert it into another version of Bitcoin, like Bitcoin Cash, and then send it again because maybe the transaction fees are lower simply because they have bigger blocks or whatever the technical reason is that's allowing them to have lower transaction fees, okay? And then after that, that person might send that Bitcoin Cash, convert it into Bitcoin Core, and send it because they just happen to another person because they happen to be a diehard fan of Bitcoin Core, and for no other reason they want Bitcoin Core as payment, okay? So we believe that the coin that is going to travel from person A to person B over here may not always be Bitcoin Core. It may be several versions of Bitcoin that's going to come out and make that happen, okay? So because of that, right, now I'm going to switch back into the trader and investor and entrepreneur mode, okay? And put aside the philosophy mode now, going back to the trader mode. If we're a trader and we're looking to profit from all these Bitcoins and the boom in cryptocurrencies, right, then if that's true, that Bitcoin is no longer going to be a single currency or a single coin, that it's going to be multiple coins that's going to be transacted between two parties to create that payment, then I think what needs to be done is, as a trader and as an investor, we need to look at, okay, which one has potential to go up and put our money into that one, okay? So for example, in 2017, when Bitcoin forked for the very first time into Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Core, we saw that there was so much hype and there's so much buzz and there's so much going on with Bitcoin Cash that we made the call and said that we believe that it was more it was better to put our money into Bitcoin Cash than it is into Bitcoin Core. And so what happened was that led to and we turned out it was right. It was a good call because Bitcoin Cash went from $400 to like $4,000, which was a 10x gain, okay, or a 10x growth or a 1,000% growth on your money. So that was significantly better than what Bitcoin Core was doing at that same time. It did not grow 10 times, okay? So we want to keep an open mind and look at these different baby Bitcoins that are coming out and see which one of these has a lot of buzz, a lot of hype, and a lot of big community pushing it, right? And especially the more emotional that you see these guys are about their version of Bitcoin, those are the ones that we want to really pay attention to, because those are the ones that get a lot of buzz, a lot of hype, and has the potential to go up. And once it goes up and we make the money from it, then we sell out. Even if you are even if I was a big fan of Bitcoin Core, right? I would still, from a money-making perspective, still get into these other ones, these baby Bitcoins, just so that I can make money from it. And then I would go take that money and go buy more Bitcoin Core with it, okay? So I just want to make this short video and just share my thoughts about these Bitcoin, the evolution of Bitcoin, where I think it's going and stuff like that. Hopefully it helps you guys out in some way and provide a different perspective and outlook on it. I do not foresee in the future that Bitcoin is just going to be one version. There's going to be many, many versions of it, and that's how people are going to be paid, is in multiple versions of Bitcoin and not a single version, okay? So thanks for watching this video. If you guys like our thoughts, our ideas, and our philosophies, and the way that we trade in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, go check out www.cryptocurrency.market/blueprint and get you a copy of the cryptocurrency investing blueprint so that you don't have to figure out this stuff on your own, okay? there is a massive fly about that big, man. It's right on my camera, and I'm gonna turn it off before it covers the lens here, okay? So thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to follow me at HeyTaiZen on Twitter, where I share my thoughts and the daily things that I see. Also, if you guys are watching this video, make sure that you hit the bell, the notification button, because that way you'll get notified when I put out new videos. Also, half of you guys that are watching this video are not subscribed to our channel, and you guys watch our channel consistently. Do me a big favor and pound that subscribe button and subscribe to our channel if you're watching it constantly, okay? I'm not sure why half you guys are watching it and not subscribed to our channel, so be sure to do that, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in a future video.